Did you know that LimeWire is still around and has their own crypto token? I remember them as a software and file sharing site like 20 to 25 years ago, just around the time when I started using the internet, but it turns out they have their own token. They're listed on a bunch of different exchanges. They even listed on Revolut, the card and payment app, and they position themselves in a way in which the combination of AI as well as DePIN, some of the most hyped categories in crypto, are recognizing them as one of those coins that has the potential to do another 10 to 20x just back to the all-time high of last year. As we know, for absolutely anything crypto related, you can click on anything in here. Charts look kind of similar. We have the initial hype go up to an insane all-time high last year, and then it slowly came down. Same for LimeWire. We were setting around 7 to 8 cents in June of 2023. Then around April or May last year, we peaked up at 155, and since then we're down again. Now what happens with most altcoins that keep around, keep building, keep improving what they have, is that the next time they reach their all-time high, they usually break through and do like a 2 to 3x on the old all-time high. So we have a 20x back to that. And then even further once we actually have alt season. Now obviously, you know that nothing in here is financial advice. I'm just showing you something that has to do with both AI as well as DePIN. Has been around, it is a known name for the past quarter century actually, for the past 25 years. In terms of impressions and traffic and volume, they're also 10x'd in this year alone. And with them being listed on some of the biggest exchanges out there, including Kraken and Crypto.com, Maxi as well, Gate, KuCoin, Bybit, and more, as well as being listed on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and the OKX DEX, we have a coin that has all the indicators to go back to the all-time high and above, but is currently, like altcoins in general, down and undervalued. The real alpha is just holding and staying optimistic. This is the easiest trade in history at 90% will fumble it. AI crypto is so undervalued, it's disgusting. It will be the most explosive vertical here very soon. The exact time frame, nobody knows. But right now is the time where we stock up on all the alts that we like. And then once this one finally gets a 1 in front of it, we can all be quite happy. Now, to catch you up to date on LimeWire and what they've been doing, just like we know and used to use it for, you can upload, edit, share files of any size, for which they're back to reshape the way people create, edit, and transfer files globally. They're an end-to-end encrypted, AI-powered file sharing platform, so you can upload, manipulate, and share files on any device. You can use some AI magic to edit those, with their apps coming fairly soon. And they have a token behind it that powers that whole ecosystem. Now, besides just LimeWire, they also have something called Blocknode, which is powering the future of AI, easy to integrate, scalable, and that being powered by the LimeWire token, for which they address the rising cost of GPU infrastructure, as they create a decentralized marketplace that connects GPU providers with users. Think of this as simple as, my computer has a graphics card. Am I using that while I sleep? No. Could I outsource that, make it work for me, and get some incentive that way? Yes, I could. For the token itself though, for LimeWire, it can be used for staking and platform rewards, while the platform itself is configured to reward its generative AI and file sharing users for being active on the platform and holding a minimum amount of the token. And you can see with the 3 stages down there, from basic, advanced, and pro, the more tokens somebody has, the more upsides they get, the more benefits they receive, which also means people are incentivized to hold it long term, which then buys up supply and will be held long term. In the last month alone, they had over 1.5 million active users that use the file sharing and AI benefits that they offer. And they're not just listed on some of the biggest exchanges in the world, but they're also backed by leading VC investors, which means, for example, for Kraken, there's Kraken Ventures. They're backing them, Crypto.com as well as Arrington Capital and Hivemind. Then the fact down there that they're listed on Revolut, something I've been using for, I think like 4 years by now, 4 or 5 years. Only a handful of coins are listed on there, so you can directly take either a certain percentage of your money using reoccurring buys, DCAs, or other options in order to simply buy crypto. The fact that LimeWire is listed on there generally surprised me in a positive way. BNB as a whole ecosystem also has a couple different D apps, and LimeWire, fun fact, is the fastest growing D app on the BNB chain. And while there are a bunch of different projects that started out recently, focus on AI, you've seen lots of different existing coins simply using the word AI now, and then, you know, they changed the narrative somewhat. LimeWire has been doing this and has been around for 25 years, and there's a good chance that you used them at some point in your lifetime before. And we tend to use and buy what we understand and know. And we both understand and know that. And at 8 cents, this can at least go back to $1. If it goes back to $1, the market cap would be around 300 mil. And if this over here sits at 900 million and it's completely worthless, then there is the potentiality, you know, the option that maybe something that is useful, that is actively being used, somewhat traditional in the business sense that people know and recognize outside of crypto, that it can go to 300 million, which would only be 1/3 of this. Plus, with what they have in store, the apps that are coming out, the team being more than experienced in the space, and of course fully doxed, this is something where I would think the market cap would be at like 500 mil or more if you see it for the first time, and then you look at the market cap and you think, well, it's not. Maybe that's a good indicator to stock in some tokens moving forward. Obviously, you know, it's not financial advice. And with them, for example, being the official sponsor at the Bitcoin 2025 conference in Las Vegas, they might push marketing a little to make more people aware of that. And again, once Bitcoin in general stops doing whatever it is doing over the past month, where we just wiggle around between 75 and 85k and simply break through at the $100,000 mark and alt season finally starts, this is at least going to do a 10x. If you want to get the token, obviously you can go to PancakeSwap or Uniswap. You can also buy it on Base, so there are basically no gas fees, or on any of the exchanges listed on here with Bybit, BitChat, MaxD, Kraken, KuCoin, Crypto.com, all of them basically, and get some tokens that way. It also looks like they're the #1 project on BNB Greenfield. I'm pretty sure you're going to see this a couple more times moving forward. Let me know what you think, links to everything down below. And I'm probably gonna make an updated video on all the altcoins that I currently have that I think can perform best once we finally have alt season. But I will see exactly when I record that. For now though, check it out. You're probably gonna like it, but of course, look through it yourself first and make a responsible financial decision. Take care.